So, good afternoon. It's actually like 12:35, 12:30, 12:38 if you really want to be exact. Anywho, so I cleaned up the house. Like, that's all I've been working on all morning. Emptied out our garbages, cleaned out some of our shoes. I swept the floor. I even like Lysoled our appliances and even wiped down some of our like countertop things and drawers and stuff. And then I even washed the dishes, even though Jeroen was technically supposed to do the dishes yesterday, but you know, I'm just nice. But I hope he doesn't take advantage of that. Anywho, so yeah, what's that called? And now I'm just working on some craft book. Oh my gosh. I'm working on some scrapbook stuff. So I found this, which was the sign used for Ethan's birthday. And then I also have our piano guys tickets that I want to put in our scrapbook. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And the reason why I cleaned up the place was because I thought we're gonna get our washer and dryer today, since it is Wednesday, and that's what our landlord said. It was gonna arrive, but it's not here. It still hasn't arrived. And you know what? I received a call that came from a different number, and I didn't pick it up because I was kind of like, kind of paranoid. But then I was like, maybe it's the washer and dryer delivery people. So then I called them back, and it was just like a telemarketer. So I'm just like, oh great. So I'm so disappointed. I mean, I almost broke our laundry basket thing, and like our laundry basket is really, really nice, like in my opinion, because it like wheels out and stuff. I almost broke one of the like compartments to it because I was putting laundry in there, and then I just wanted to pat it down, and then I just hear this rip, and I was like, dang, like we have that much laundry where the compartment's just like sagging, and it's like, it's so heavy, there's so much stuff in there that it's ripping when you press it down. So I have to sew that together. But I'm so frustrated. Like, the waiting is ridiculous, and we shouldn't have to be 2 weeks without a washer and dryer. Honestly, I feel bad for my landlord too, because he's the one who's dealing with all of it. So he must be frustrated as we are. It's just playing the waiting game, and I'm not very patient right now. Seriously, hashtag first world problems. Anywho, so Jeroen should be done work soon, so just kind of seeing if he's going to be around, or maybe he's taking the shortcut route back to our place, and kind of just waiting if we see a delivery truck from the company that the washer and dryer is coming from. And so far, nothing yet. Still no results. Anywho, I think I'm gonna lunch is kind of prepared already since I made it yesterday. I think I'm just gonna try to chill and finish my scrapbook stuff. I just recently subscribed to Wiley, I don't even know how to say her name, but Wiley TV. She's super funny. I love her, and her boyfriend's super funny too. So yeah, just gonna watch some of their vlogs to pass the time and just try to relax. Since I have work tonight, I'm doing the closing shift. So fun times. This guy was giving me such a hard time today. He wouldn't let me shower or anything, but now he's like pretending to play video games. Honestly, like I just put these like gameplays or like Super Smash trailers, and then he'll like hold his remote and pretend to play. So it's so cute. He's so much like his daddy with the video games and stuff. And he was recently playing with like Mickey and Minnie and making them kiss and stuff. Super, super cute. And I just realized like my lens is so darn like it's disgusting on this part here. So gotta wipe it down. Fun times. There, is that much better? I feel like that's much better and clear. Even though I still see this like dot over here, but I'm not gonna keep on cleaning this lens or else I'm gonna break it.
Hey guys, yeah, so I came from work not too long, well, about 3 hours ago. Made, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it looks good to you guys, but Alfredo with mushroom and meatballs with rotini pasta. Delicious. Oh, magnifique. I don't know how to make my own sauce, so I kind of just use Classico Alfredo. Yeah, so that's what I made. May is about to go to work.
Yes, I am. I'm go to work.
And yeah, for me, I gotta run some errands with me and my brother and Ethan, so yeah. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace!
Bye. See you later.
Say bye! Say bye-bye!
Bye.
So loud, so enthusiastic. Say bye-bye, baby!
Bye.
Kiss mommy! Okay, hug mommy, hug, hug. Okay, oh, pull up your pants.
These pants are way too big.
Okay. Those are some H&M pants that we got on sale, $10.
Big.
Yeah. Okay, flying kiss, baby. Flying kiss.
Hey, give mommy
Excuse me, sir. Ethan. Flying kiss, mommy. Flying kiss. Okay, kiss then, I guess. Regular kiss. Okay, flying kiss.
Mwah.
Drop Snoopy for it.
There you go.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, babies.
What a funny guy. Yeah, so she's off, and I'm going to say bye now.
Okay.
Okay, love you.
Love you too.
Have a good day at work.
Okay, thanks, babe. Oh, message you. I do have my phone, right?
I don't know.
The check.
Keys. Phone.
I don't have my phone. Hey. I don't think I have my phone. Oh, it's charging, that's why.
Where?
In the room.
Good job. I would have had to pass by. Babe, someone messaged you. Checking right now.
I'm working.
Yeah.
Too bad. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, love you.
Okay, love you too, guys.
So I just finished watching this movie called 13 Hours of Benghazi, I think it's called. It's about the Libya war. Yeah, it's directed by Michael Bay. To be honest, I'm not much of a fan of Michael Bay. It's honestly just because of he's known for all the explosions. It's just constant explosions, but he did it like quite well in this one, just because it is a war, you know what I mean, so there will be bound to be explosions and whatnot. But yeah, pretty good movie. Yeah, I wasn't watching with this one here. I only wanted to watch it when he was sleeping, so he didn't have to see any crazy violence or I don't want him to hear any cussing and all that. So yeah, so I just watched it when he's sleeping. My brother came by as well. Yeah, he helped me go do some errands at Hillcrest Mall. Near, and yeah, so we kind of ate most of the Alfredo. All that's left is that and that. So I'm probably gonna put it in a small little bowl and then give it to me. Then I'm just gonna do some dishes. And honestly, that movie makes me want to play this game called Battlefield.
I like going one train, one train, one car, one train.
Amen.
Okay, say good night. Good night. Night night. Say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, well. May is home
So
now.
cute.
She's at home. Came from work. And we're gonna have to go to sleep now because she has work tomorrow morning. Yeah.
Dad.
Okay, say bye bye. Baby. Baby. Hello. Fly kiss.
Mama.
Bye bye.